Good afternoon, everyone. And thanks to Cafe Mutual for giving us the opportunity to talk about what we at CAMS believe that how AI will shape the world and how AI will shape our businesses and our professions. But before I start the presentation, I just would like to share a data point. कुछ दिन पहले किसी एमसी के लिए हम डेटा देख रहे थे and one thing that stood out for me was that over a 2 to 5 year window कोई इन्वेस्टर जो कि कोई भी स्कीम पे, और दिस इज़ वन ऑफ द टॉप 10 म्यूचुअल फंड्स इन इंडिया, उनके किसी भी स्कीम पे, इक्विटी के स्कीम पे 2 से 5 साल तक जिस इन्वेस्टर ने भी इन्वेस्ट किया है, उन इन्वेस्टर्स का रेगुलर स्कीम में जो रिटर्न है, स्कीम रिटर्न्स नहीं, जो इन्वेस्टर का रिटर्न है रेगुलर स्कीम में, वो रिटर्न डायरेक्ट स्कीम के रिटर्न से थोड़ा ज़्यादा या काफ़ी ज़्यादा है, which goes on to show the value that mutual fund distributors and the advisory community that exists for mutual funds in India add to investor wealth creation. So with that, I want to talk about that whether, and I don't think it's even a debate, that how AI can replace advisors and advisory. I think the only point is how AI will aid, how the community can use AI as a tool to improve the efforts and make sure that आज सिर्फ 6 करोड़ इन्वेस्टर्स इंडिया में इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं म्यूचुअल फंड्स में, जब ये 6 करोड़ का नंबर 30 करोड़ का नंबर होगा तो कैसे यही कम्युनिटी उन 30 करोड़ इन्वेस्टर्स को म्यूचुअल फंड में इन्वेस्ट करने में और वेल्थ क्रिएशन की जर्नी में कैसे हेल्प करेंगे. सो द प्रेजेंटेशन इज मोस्टली अबाउट दैट. So we'll start with what's the broad context. We are talking about AI as a tool which will help mutual fund distributors transition from just a service provider or a processor to an intelligence partner. Intelligence partner का मतलब क्या है कि आप जो भी कर रहे हैं म्यूचुअल फंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर, एज म्यूचुअल फंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर इन्वेस्टर के लिए, आप उसको कैसे जल्दी कर सकते हैं, बेटर कर सकते हैं, और कैसे एआई का यूज़ करके आप ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा इन्वेस्टर्स को सर्विस कर सकते हैं. सो व्हाट वी हैव डन इज वी हैव डिवाइडेड दिस एंटायर प्रेजेंटेशन इनटू 5 सेक्शंस. फर्स्ट इज द प्रोडक्टिविटी एनहांसर. कैसे आप सर्विसिंग ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा ऑटोमेट करके अपना काम सेल्स पे या एडवाइजरी में लगा सकते हैं. क्लाइंट मीटिंग्स में कैसे आप जल्दी से जल्दी तैयारी करके हाउ कैन यू इम्प्रूव योर क्लाइंट मीटिंग्स, हाउ कैन यू मेक श्योर दैट आपके जितना बड़ा इन्वेस्टर बेस है सबको ऐसा लगे कि आप सिर्फ उन्हीं से बात कर रहे हैं, उनके हिसाब से, उनके प्रोफाइल के हिसाब से, उनके इन्वेस्टमेंट पैटर्न के हिसाब से आप कम्युनिकेशन कैसे कस्टमाइज कर सकते हैं. हाउ यू कैन हेल्प इन्वेस्टर्स अंडरस्टैंड म्यूचुअल फंड investing better, and how AI can help you with content creation. And we'll talk about solutions that we have for most of these things and how this can be implemented. So the first thing is about, when we talk about efficiency, the biggest thing that we talk about is कि आपका समय कहाँ जाए. Should you spend a lot of time helping investors get answers to service kind of queries or sales kind of queries, advisory or service? So what we are saying is that what we are developing at CAMS is that we are developing a bot that will help you with making sure that your investor queries are answered as much automatically as possible, right? So agar aapko, if you can just go and quickly show a quick demo of it. It has to come. So it's a screen like this. Come down. So अगर किसी इन्वेस्टर का आपको उनकी SIP रिजेक्ट हो गई है और आपको बस पता करना है कि SIP क्यों रिजेक्ट हुई है, यू क्लिक ऑन check SIP rejection reason, and you can give the folio, so it will tell you exactly that which SIP got rejected and what was the reason. What was the reason for that SIP getting rejected? So for that, and if you click on fix this SIP, it can take you back to a screen where आप नया डिटेल डाल के आपके इन्वेस्टर से कंसेंट लेके उनका जो OTM मैंडेट है वो अपडेट करके आप उनकी SIP फिर से रिज्यूम करा सकते हैं. So like that, come down. Status of second वाला status. So again, if you are checking for the status of a folio, it will give you what is the current portfolio value. Come down. Transaction history. What are the last transactions, latest transactions. So the point that we are trying to show is that your entire servicing piece, we will be able to drive it, or you will be able to drive it mostly through an automated bot or a search and select kind of a bot. We are working on this as a POC with two of the largest distributors in this country. And we are also planning to implement this in our distributor platform, the flagship distributor platform for the industry, which is Edge 360. So we are today building this as a capability. The intent of us building this is to help you spend as less time as possible, and you can give a version of this to your investors also, so that you spend time on advisory and selling. The second, and this is again a very interesting thing, which is how do we enable the distributor community to be ready for faster client meetings, right? So आपको अभी क्लाइंट से मिलने जाना है, आप किस तरह से एक क्लाइंट समरी बना सकते हैं और उस समरी के बेसिस पे आप कैसे कॉन्वर्सेशंस कर सकते हैं अपने क्लाइंट के साथ. वी आर जस्ट गोइंग टू शोकेस दैट. So we have two things. One is one-click meeting briefs and another is scenario simulators. Both are very interesting things that we have put together. Go back again, escape the presentation and go to the link. Yeah. So if you look at this, this is a kind of a page. Come down. So what we are saying is one-click meeting briefs. Come down. Just come down. Come down. So we have just created 3 dummy profiles, Rakesh, Priya and Amit, and you click on any one of them. You will not only get, just stay there, not only get a snapshot of what is their XIRR, क्या asset allocation है, come down. What are their best performers, worst performers, come down. Portfolio highlights, action items, come down. Just go back. Click on prepare meeting brief. Select any. Come now. So this kind of, it gives you a summary. It tells you exactly that आपके क्लाइंट का टोटल इन्वेस्टमेंट कितना है, टोटल उनका XIRR कितना है, उनका एसेट एलोकेशन कितना है, किस तरह के फंड्स में उनको अच्छा रिटर्न मिल रहा है, किस में अच्छा रिटर्न नहीं मिल रहा है, क्या अपॉर्चुनिटी है ऑप्टिमाइजेशन की. All of this will get generated from the system, and you can actually take this and go and have a meeting with your client. So the amount of time, and I'm sure आप अपने आप भी ये सारी चीज़ें करते ही होंगे, right? So you're doing this today, just stay there. Just go back and stay there. You're doing this today. The verdict will change basis the investor's portfolio. The only thing, as I was saying, sir, कि आज भी आप ये कर रहे होंगे, लेकिन आपको मैनुअली ये सारी चीज़ें, सारा रिसर्च, सारा चीज़ आप मैनुअली करते होंगे. आप जाते होंगे स्कीम का परफॉर्मेंस देख के, कितना स्कीम का रिटर्न है, आपके इन्वेस्टर के लिए आपने कितना रिटर्न बनाया है. यू विल बी डूइंग दैट ऑल ऑफ इट मैनुअली. दिस इज इन अ सिंगल क्लिक अक्रॉस. अगर आपके जैसे डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर हमने सुना कि 1.5 लाख SIPs है, अब अगर इनको अपने इन्वेस्टर्स के लिए इस तरह का रिसर्च करना पड़े तो इट इज़ इम्पॉसिबल टू डू इट एट स्केल. या आपके 10,000 भी इन्वेस्टर है तो 10,000 इन्वेस्टर्स के लिए अगर आपको ये रिसर्च करना पड़े एट स्केल, इट इज़ इम्पॉसिबल टू डू. What this does, or a tool like this does, is it makes this all available through an intelligence at the back end, so that this is produced for you at scale. Sorry? नहीं, today इसमें सिर्फ कैम्स का है, लेकिन अगर आप इसी के थ्रू अगर दूसरा अकाउंट स्टेटमेंट या कैश स्टेटमेंट कार्वी का भी अपलोड करेंगे आप, So it will give you the total analysis also. So today we have built it. When we launch it on Edge, we'll do it. So अगर आप ऐसे देखें कि capability wise ये सब कर सकता है, हमने अभी build किया है CAMS के लिए, right? Just go back to dashboard. The other thing is scenario simulators. This is again a very interesting tool. Again, doing that at scale would be very, very difficult for anybody. Just click on Analyze Impact. Click on Choose a Client. Choose anyone. What this scenario simulator kind of tells you is कि आपने कोई advice दी, किसी डेट पे आपने बोला कि इस स्कीम से इस स्कीम में आप स्विच कर जाए, तो इट टेल्स द इन्वेस्टर कि इस एडवाइस को फॉलो करने के कारण आप उस इन्वेस्टर को जस्ट क्लिक ऑन इट, क्लिक ऑन द फर्स्ट वन, उस इन्वेस्ट कम डाउन उस एडवाइस को फॉलो करने के कारण क्या फायदा हुआ है. सो इफ दैट एडवाइस वाज नॉट फॉलोड, इफ दैट इन्वेस्टर डिड नॉट मेक दैट स्विच, what would have been the portfolio status, what would have been the scheme AUM, what would have been the investor's AUM, and because the advice was followed, what is the investor's AUM. And it will have both, it can have both positive and negative. अगर redemption किया है, just click on redemption, yeah. So this again shows कि अगर redemption नहीं किया होता तो उनका AUM कितना बड़ा होता. So आज भी again I'm saying that all of this I'm sure you must be doing today, you must be giving all of this advice today. But what this tool does, it enables you to do it at massive scale without needing to go and do individual research, independent research, investor by investor. Go back to dashboard. Yeah, go to the next. We are building it in the app. We are planning to launch this in both the Edge app and the Edge website. This is the third thing that we are building. Again, this is a very large CAMS level initiative. We are calling it CAMS Lens. What it does is it kinds of goes to all the regulatory websites, which is SEBI, AMFI, SAT, और सारी रेगुलेटरी वेबसाइट्स पे जाके इट डाउनलोड्स द सर्कुलर्स, इट क्रिएट्स समरीज. So we have started doing that at CAMS level internally. Our compliance team uses this today. We are talking to AMCs and making it available for AMC compliance teams. And we are planning to do this for the distributor community also. Where basically we will interpret the circular, this part is done. We'll figure out and help you figure out which part and which circular will impact you. In the sense, जैसे आप देखेंगे कि the recent GST circular will have a very large impact on non-GST registered distributors. So when a circular like this comes, there's a lot of questions that distributors have. We know because we get a lot of calls from distributor community in our distributor help desk. What this tool is going to do is it will take a circular, you can log in and you will see that whether this circular is impacting you. If it is impacting you, how it is impacting you, and what exactly is going to happen. Like in this GST example, आपको ये सर मतलब it will tell you कि basis what advisory CAMS and KFIN is giving, it will tell you exactly what are the next steps. कि या तो आप GST के लिए register करें, आपको website में क्या करना है, आपको जाके अपना invoice upload करना है to get your incremental brokerage payout, जो GST वाला part withheld रहेगा. All of that, it will help you with this. The other thing it will help you with is आपके जो investors हैं, मान लीजिए HNIs है या NRIs है, जिनको कोई सर्कुलर इम्पैक्ट कर रहा है कि अभी आपके NRI इन्वेस्टर्स की re-KYC डिजिटल बना दी गई है. So this tool will basically analyze all of that and help you create communication that you can send to your investors. Again, making you look like somebody who is really going through everything and making sure कि आपका investor उनको सारी latest information पता रहे and they are able to consume all of that latest information. Now again, as I mentioned, the first part of portfolio analysis, the second part of investor reports, the third part of going through regulatory circulars, all of that, if you are doing today at large scale, either you are not able to do it with everybody or you need to have a large team. This these AI tools are only designed to make sure your productivity goes up. The amount of people you need to help you with doing all of this comes down, and you're able to service and advise your investors better. Go next. So there's a small video about CAMSLens and what it is doing, just to give you a sense of what it does.
Introducing CAMSLens, a CAMS AI product, reimagining compliance for the mutual fund industry. CAMS has always been the trusted guardian of mutual fund regulations in India. We actively partner with SEBI, contribute to working groups, and help shape the regulatory landscape for the mutual fund industry. But once a circular arrives, the process to understand, share, and comply is manual, complex, and time-consuming. Our teams create summaries, training materials, investor awareness content, and more, a tedious and non-scalable effort. Today, CAMS is proud to introduce CAMSLens, a revolutionary AI-powered platform built specifically for India's mutual fund industry. Powered by a customized large language model trained exclusively on CAMS' extensive industry knowledge, CAMSLens delivers deep contextual intelligence unlike any generic AI, using CAMS' very own subject matter experts, ensuring unmatched industry accuracy backed by verifiable regulatory documents. Here's how CAMSLens works when SEBI issues a new circular. Intelligent crawlers rapidly ingest the circular daily. Users see a personalized dashboard displaying the total number of relevant circulars in the repository and alerts for any new updates since their last visit. CAMS' proprietary crawler engine runs daily to ingest regulatory documents into CAMS Cloud and trigger emails with link to subscribed users, intimating them of the new circular release, keeping them up to date with recent regulations. On click, user will land on the CAMS regulatory portal to view complete details of the new circular, depending on the persona of the user. When SEBI issues a new circular, CAMSLens springs into action. For example, when SEBI released the recent SIF circular, CAMSLens rapidly ingested, validated, and embedded the new rules. It immediately generated the tailor-made compliance briefs, FAQs, and operational SOPs, ensuring seamless adoption industry-wide without delay. CAMSLens delivers persona-driven content customized for various stakeholders such as AMCs, CXOs, compliance teams, marketing, and operations. Firstly, AI model generates a long and short summary that details out various critical aspects of the new circular ingested into CAMS repository, followed for different audiences. It also creates quick glance and key highlights of the circular for CXOs. User-specific content with respect to compliance officer around new validations to be implemented in the system. To marketing head on email communication to be sent for external stakeholders like investors, AMCs, and distributors in the ecosystem. Verified context is embedded into CAMSLens's AI model, making new roles instantly searchable and actionable. A compliance checker validates and extracts key regulatory points. By automating compliance interpretation and control check SQL generation, where CAMS AI generates custom SQL queries to run compliance monitoring on CAMS databases daily to look for any anomalies related to audit observations, thereby CAMSLens eliminates tedious work, reduces errors, and empowers teams to focus on business growth. We tested CAMSLens against popular AI tools such as Perplexity. Unlike general AI engines that rely on public websites and provide inconsistent or outdated summaries, CAMSLens offers authoritative, definitive, and up-to-date insights based on direct SEBI circular ingestion and expert validation. CAMSLens is transforming compliance and empowering growth. The future of mutual fund regulation is here.
So I know my time is up. I can see that. So that was about what we are planning to do in CAMSLens and Prem. If I can just take 2 more minutes. Just to talk about this automated contextual follow-ups. Again, something that we are very excited about. What we are planning to do is to make sure that आप जो भी चीज़ कर रहे हैं, जो भी इन्वेस्टर को आपने ट्रांजैक्शन भेजा या आपने कोई परचेज ऑर्डर भेजा और इन्वेस्टर ने उसको कंप्लीट नहीं किया है, लुकिंग एट द मार्केट, just go looking at the market, it will create contextual follow-up messages and nudges escape up. And it will exactly help you send those messages and nudges to your investor, again hopefully improving the click-through rates and getting them to action on that. So these are some samples that will get generated from the tool. So what I wanted to say in closing is, while we are doing a lot of stuff around what we believe how AI can really help the distributor community, I strongly believe that in a market which is where still an investor with AMFI's, large scale campaigns of mutual funds sahi hai, investor is still looking for somebody who they believe they can trust for their advice. The mutual fund distributor community is that key link and key bridge between the investor and a complex financial product like mutual funds. These tools will help you bridge the gap and service your investors at scale. And thank you for the opportunity for talking, and all the best for your group.